In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do lateral jumps. So firstly, what you'll notice is I've got a red band here on the floor, and that's going to be my marker for what I'm going to jump over during this exercise. You could use a mark on the floor, you could use an object. Just make sure whatever you use, you're not actually going to slip over or that it's not going to cause you a hazard during the exercise. So let's go over how we actually do a jump, and then let's transition that into lateral jumps. So firstly, what I want you to do just for a normal jump is your feet are going to be hip width apart. You're going to bend your knees, and as you do, your bum is going to go back. What that looks like from a side on angle is that. So we're going to come into that squat position, and then what you're going to do out of this position is you're going to jump up, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing when we do the lateral jumps. The only difference is, as opposed to being stationary, like so, we are going to be jumping over what we're using the marker for. So a lateral jump looks like this. So as I'm jumping, I'm also jumping to the side, and then I'm going to do exactly the same, and I'm trying to get myself over that marker. Once you get really good at this, you can start to do them faster, or you can start to do them on one leg. And that is how you do a lateral jump.